Hi everyone, I am Fawad, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how can you compare the real numbers. My dear students, actually if you want to compare the real numbers, compare mean that you are going to tell that which number is greater and which number is smaller, or for this case, actually for comparisons we usually use the greater than or the less than or greater than equals to or less than equals to symbols. Okay guys, these are the inequality symbols. Okay, inequality symbols, guys. Inequality is actually a sentence, is a mathematical sentence which gives you an idea or understanding that which number is coming bigger or smaller. Dear students, actually these symbols, you have to understand how these symbols work. Like this is the symbol I said greater than. Okay, why I say it is the symbol of greater than, although they look the same, only they flip the sides but they look the same. How can we identify that this is greater than? So guys, always remember, because maths or English, we start writing from the left side. As you can see, I wrote my first question from the left side. So as we are going to start the numbering or English from the left side, so this you can consider it is a crocodile mouth. Okay, crocodile mouth. So if it is opening towards the left side, so this left one will be greater than. So you are going to read it from left side, because we used to read and write English or maths from left side. So that's why if it is indicating towards left, the mouth, the face, so that number, that term, that anything will be greater. Okay, now you can see here I am calling it lesser than or less than this one. So guys, this is the mouth or face and this is the tail. So if the tail is towards the left side, so the left side one will be less than the right side. Okay, so guys, here we have to identify how they are, what is the comparison. So let's go to the values, because guys, it's a radical of 7 or square root of 7. I don't know what is the value, so I will use my calculator first to identify its value in decimals. So it is coming equals to, or approximately it is 2.65. okay, approximately, because guys I am rounding the answer. Why? Because you know that it's an irrational number, and irrational number is what? It's non-terminating and non-recurring. So because it's not gonna finish, so I just have to round off. Let's go for 4 whole 1 over 3. So guys, 4 whole 1 over 3 I will put in the calculator and I will check it answer. It is coming approximately 4.33 like this. So 4 whole 1 over 3. Guys, always remember, if you want to write directly this mixed number in your calculator, and if you have this calculator, this Casio FX991ES, or functions, the number of functions can vary, but if you have this design, so you can press the shift button and then you can press the fraction button. Shift, after shift you will press the fraction button, you get the mixed number form in your on your screen. So here, there, then you can substitute the values easily. So guys, now you can easily compare 2.65 and 4.33. So this number is lesser than this one. So I will write the comparison like this. Square root is less than this symbol, left side. Okay, tail must be on the left side. So square root 7 is lesser than 4.35. I hope you understand. Let's go to the question number 2. And here we have at least 5 numbers, and we are going to write them. This I want to complete from least to greatest. Least to greatest. Okay. So guys, now first of all we must know their decimal answers, approximate decimal answers, so that you can easy. So guys, this answer will be equal to 2, because 4 is a perfect square. 0.4 is equals to 0.4 minus 2 by 3, because it is already in decimals. So 2 over 3 I will put in the fraction in my calculator. So it is coming 2 over 3 approximately equal to 0.67. Okay guys, now square root 2 is the irrational number, and it will be coming approximately 1.412. Yes, 4142. Okay, now minus 1.5, it is already in decimal, will be equal to minus 1.5. Now guys, you can see here 2 is the greatest one, so I have to go least to the greatest. So guys, least, always remember, the more the big value of the negative number, it will be it will be more lesser. Okay, so minus 1.5 is our least value among all these values. Now after minus 1.5, which one is the greater? 0.4. So I will say like this: the 0.4 is greater than minus 1.5. After 0.4, which one is greater? Of course 0.67. And after 0.67, which is greater? Of course it is 1.41, and the last one is 2. So guys, here is the comparison, but because your question is in the radical form, it's not in this form, so you have to give your final answer in the same with the same faces as they give you in the question. So guys, I will write in the question form 1.5. 0.4 is actually 0.4, and 0.67 is actually 2 over 3, and 1.41, which is square root 2, and 2, which is actually a square root of 4. So guys, we are done with the comparison of real numbers. I hope you understand. If you have any question, if you don't understand this video, you can mention in the comment box. I will answer that. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Have a good day, and see you again with a new video. Bye bye.